So hey guys, in this video I will discuss a Leetcode question, that is Decode String. As you can see here, it is transition big MNCs, that is Bloomberg, Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Facebook. So let's start. So what is given to us? We have given a string, as you can see here. Before entering a square bracket, you can see a number. It means you have to be repeat the number of times given to us a letter. That is, before entering to a square bracket of A, you can see a 3 number. It means you have to be repeat the A 3 times. Okay. Similarly for B and C, there is a 2 is written. It means you have to be repeat B and C 2 times. Okay. So required string is given here. So let's start our code. So what is written to us is count equal to 0. Why have written count equal to 0? Because whenever we do a sum now, we always used to initialize it with the 0. After you will see in the code that what I have done. Okay. So here I have used string builder. So what is the purpose of the string builder? In Java we use to store a string now, we use a string builder. Okay. SV is the name of the string. So after iterating to the while loop, I have put a condition, because always remember in while loop we always put a condition. So what is written? While I is less than s dot length. What does it mean is that we need to be traverse the string till it completes the length of the string. So what I have written here, I equal to 0, because I have to be initialized. Whenever we write something in a while, for or do while, we always used to be initialize it. Okay, that is I have initialized with 0. After that, what I have written is char c equal to s dot char at I. What does it mean is, if you can see a string now, we always need to decode a single letter in a string. So that's why we use this line. So let's just explain with example. As you can see here, it is a string given to us. Suppose I want to decode first element of the string, that is A. So what I will do, char dot s dot character. Okay. So means the first character, that is A. After that I want to decode B. After that I want to decode C and S D. Okay. So that reason I always remember that always use char c equal to s dot char at I. Means at every index you want to find the character. Char means character at that position. S means the string given to us. C is the name and char for character. Always remember char for character, C is the name I am taking, S means the string length, matlab string that is given to us. After that, char at means to find the character at a position. I means index. You want to find an element and an index. You want to find the character at that index. That's why I am using this line. After that, I have used I plus plus, means I am just incrementing the value of the I, because I want to traverse the string. That's why I have used this. After that, character dot is let's see. Matlab, if I found a letter, means if a letter is equal to a character, means if I am traversing the string, if it's equal to a character, what I will do, sp dot append. Append means add the letter in the string, means a new substring. What I have made is a string builder. I will just add it. Sp dot append. Sd means the name of the string that I have taken. Append means to add it. After that, else if character dot is this, let's see. What does it mean is, suppose I have gotten a character and it is digit. It is not a letter, it is a digit. So what I need to do is count equals to count plus count into 10 plus character dot get numeric value C. Means count into 10, because 0 index. What is the value of the count is 0. Okay, 0 into 10 means I am just getting the first index. After that, the count is getting repeating. Getting change, means count into 10. Matlab 1 into 10 means to get the second value. Get the value at the 10th place. Okay. After that, char dot get numerical value means you want to repeat the number of times. Number of times the substring now means you want to repeat a character 3 times. That's why I am using character dot get numeric value. Till that time you have to be repeat the substring. Okay. After that, if you find a closing bracket, means you have traversed the string. It means you have to simply break down it. Okay. Or if you can find out, that is string starting of a square bracket. It means string repeat equal to decode string, means you have to be decode the string. So what you will do is, while count is greater than 0, you will see that till my count is greater than 0, you will do sp dot append repeat. Means you will, what you have the string is So you will just repeat the characters in the string, because if you have entering of the square bracket, na, just like you can see here in this example, if you have got the starting of a square bracket, so what you need to do is append, means append, repeat, means whatever you get in a string, just repeat it, means you have to be append means add. After that, if you got the value now, if you got the character, what you need to do is simply count minus minus. Just simply got traverse, mean whenever you are traversing the, you always have to do count minus minus. After that, return sp.to string. Why I'm using sp.to string? Because after all this, what I need to do is just return the string. Okay. So what I've simply done is in count equal to 0, because what I need to do is simply I want to find the number of times I want to repeat the character. Okay, that's why I'm using count variable here. That is initialize the count equal to 0. After the string built in Java is used to store, means it's used to store a string. And why I have used sp is the name of the string that in which I want to store. After that, when I is less than string dot length, means I want to traverse the string till length. So char c equal to s dot caret I. What does it mean is, in string, what you want to is, you want to find a single character. For that reason, I have written this line after the I plus plus, because if you traverse the first letter of a string, now you want to increment the value, you want to traverse the whole string. That's why I'm using I plus plus. And what is it here is character dot is letter c, means if you have traversed the character and it is found to a letter. So what I will do is simply append, means you will just add the letter in a string. Else, or you can find is it is digit. If you find a digit, simply do count into 10 plus character dot get numeric value. So here I am not incrementing the count value, because always remember here it is given a single character. So for first character, the count value is 0. 0 means you want to find it at the 0 index. So here you can see here is, if I want, suppose if I example, let us say 3 2. Okay, if you want to find the first index, so what you will do is simply count just initialize with 0. So 0 into let us 0 into 10. Okay, if you want to get this position, so what you will do is 0 into 10 plus 2, means a letter. Okay, after the what for getting this value, what you will do is 1, means count की value increment करेंगे 1 into 10 to 10. Okay, after that, else if you get the closing value, what you will do, you have traversed the first substring, so you will simply break down it, or you can find out c equal to starting of a bracket. So what you will do is string repeat equal to decode string. What we need to do is just decode the string, means I have just repeat is the name of the string. Okay, so what I will do is simply count equal to 0. I will see the number of times I want to repeat. sp dot append. Append means just I am repeating, means whatever character I am getting, add it down. Count minus minus. And after this whole, what I will do is returning the string. Okay, so let's just submit it. So here you can see it is submitted. So this is the code. I hope आप लोगों को समझ आएगा. Thank you.